Today I'm in the kitchen making Hungarian beef goulash. This recipe is full of tender beef and veggies in a warm, flavorful broth. This classic Hungarian comfort food will bring the whole family to the table. The rich flavors develop while it simmers over a couple of hours, making this a lazy Sunday kind of meal. I'm Rebecca and welcome to the kitchen. This is how I make Hungarian beef goulash.
I'm going to start off by cooking my meat. For this recipe, I'm going to be simmering my beef over a long period of time, so I want a cut of meat that's going to become tender and melt in your mouth as it cooks. I've already cut a chuck roast into bite-sized chunks and I'm going to fry them in oil. Make sure to stir and turn them over so they can brown on all sides. This step is going to add lots of delicious caramelized flavor to the finished stew. You'll probably have to do this step in batches, so as the meat is finished, remove it to a plate. Now that the meat is cooked, I'm going to move on to my veggies. Cut one medium onion into a small dice. I'm going to add this to my beef drippings in the pot over medium-high heat and let them cook down until fragrant and starting to color. Meanwhile, I'm going to wash, peel, and chop 2 carrots and 3 medium potatoes. Remove the seeds and chop 2 sweet peppers and crush 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add the garlic and peppers to my pot and cook them down with the onions. Add in the carrots and the potatoes and then add back in the beef. And now to add the signature flavors to the dish. First, I'm going to crush 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds.
The caraway seeds are crushed and super fragrant. I'm going to add them to the pot.
And now, probably the most important flavor and color to my goulash, 3 tablespoons of sweet paprika.
I'm going to remove it from the heat before adding the paprika.
This is a pretty delicate spice and can quickly overcook and turn bitter in high heat. I'm going to return my pot to the heat and add in an 8-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I like to give mine a quick blitz with the immersion blender for a nice smooth texture. Stir in the tomatoes and then finally stir in 6 cups of beef broth. I'm going to let the whole mixture bubble up to a boil and then turn the heat down to a simmer. Lightly cover the pot and allow everything to slowly cook and the flavors meld and develop over the next 1 to 2 hours. I'm going to check the pot to make sure nothing's running dry and stir everything occasionally. Adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your taste. Let the goulash cool slightly and then serve. Make sure you make enough for leftovers. Beef goulash is one of those meals that tastes better after a night of sitting in the fridge. All of the flavors meld together and become deeper and richer the next day. Enjoy!